to my YouTube channel, and I would like to show you how to make a sprig of lavender today. So for lavender I'm going to use purple palette of colors, and I like this one. I use Korean professional paper strips. So I have this palette, and I'm going to use L71, so it will be my color for today for sprig of lavender. And let's get started. So for one sprig of lavender we need 11 elements. So for each shape we need cut paper strip in half. Just take a piece of paper, add some glue, and I'm going to use toothpick. So for each element just roll a half of paper strip. Length of this paper strip is 27 centimeters. So we need a half of this paper strip for one element. And add tiny amount of glue and hold a couple of seconds to stick properly. So make another one. I don't use any needle tool or quilling tool. I just use my hands, and I love the result with my hands. So again, loose a little bit the roll and just squeeze in the center and squeeze, pinch on the sides. Add tiny amount of glue, hold couple of seconds. Okay, let's do 9 more. Okay, we have 11 elements for our lavender. Let's continue with green paper strips. This is N62 to order. You know what colors you can order from my Etsy store. Okay, so we need at least 3. I think we need 1 for stem and 4 paper strips for leaves. Okay, to make stem, fold it in half and put glue in the middle of the paper strip. Add glue, add tiny amount of glue, not a lot of, to keep our work clean. So glue like this side, just hold the edges and make the same with rest of our 4 paper strips. When all 5 paper strips are ready, so you fold it in half and glue both halves together. Just take one, make a cut for 1/4 inch or 4 or 5 millimeters. Have to be like this. take one eye shape, put some glue on both sides and insert here between these two and hold a little bit. So we got stem with one element. Okay, I need to add some more glue and take another one and try to hide this glued end. So just put a little bit amount glue on this side and glue it to the next. Got like this. Again, try to hide this end of the paper strips and glue it for the another side. Like this. So we have to just leave a space here, maybe like a half inch or maybe like 10 millimeters, and glue two elements, one on each side. And leave again space and glue last two elements. Great. Our body of lavender is done, and let's add leaves. Take glued paper strip and just cut in this way each of this paper strip. And use your fingers, or use pencil or any needle, dot tool, and just curl this leaf. And make the same with others. Okay, now put glue on the stem and glue this leaf. All leaves and elements of lavender will be slightly different. So that's it. Just cut off a little of these paper strips, and our sprig of lavender is ready to use in your projects. I hope you like my video. Please Tap the thumbs up and give some feedback in the comments of this video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.